Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the cooling radiator on Opel Tigra 1.4 petrol. This is the radiator right there. In order to remove the radiator, first we need to remove the cooling fan and then we can remove the radiator. The radiator is held by two bolts which we need to remove. This is one bolt and the other bolt is right there. First I'm going to remove those two bolts along with the bracket and the bushing on them. Next I'm going to remove the cooling fan, which is located behind the radiator. To remove the cooling fan, it's held by two bolts size 10. The two bolts are one on this side and one on the other side, right there. That's the two bolts holding the cooling fan removed. Now I'm gonna go underneath the car and disconnect the electrical connector for the cooling fan. That's the electrical connector, so you pull the tab up and then pull out the connector. Now that the cooling fan is loose, we are going to remove this hose and that hose as well. Once we remove those two hoses that are in the way of removing the cooling fan, now I'll be able to lift up the cooling fan and take it out. And that's the cooling fan out. Next I'm going to remove the radiator. In order to remove the AC condenser, I need to remove all this stuff because the AC condenser can't come out. First I'm going to remove the coolant hoses that go into the radiator, and also there's two electrical connectors here on the bottom that I need to disconnect. That's the coolant hose on that side removed. Now I'm gonna go on the other side and take out the two coolant hoses on this side. These are the two clamps that we need to loosen. That's the two coolant hoses on this side removed as well. Now next I'm going to lift up the radiator and take it out. and that's the radiator out. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.